Hello friends, I am Tushar. Welcome to my channel. I am here to help you in your studies and amplify your opportunities in the education.
SPPU is conducting online and offline examination for BE students of academic year 2019-20. The exam will be of 50 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice type and each question will be of 1 mark. The student can attempt maximum 60 questions. This MCQ practice test series of subject Advanced Manufacturing Processes is prepared in collaboration with Professor P.S. Talmale by Tushar Badguzar Online to support students for their final year examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so when I upload a new video in this series, you will get notified. Diamond turning can achieve tolerance up to 1 micron, 0.1 micron, 0.01 micron, 0.001 micron. And the answer for this is C, 0.01 micron. Diamond turning can achieve surface roughness up to 1 micron, 0.1 micron, 0.01 micron, 0.001 micron. Guess the answer. And the answer is D, 0.001 micron. DTM is used to manufacture either having component feature less than dash dash micron or to achieve submicron or nanometric surface finish. 1, 10, 100, 0.1. And the answer is C, 100. In DTM process, diamond is mostly preferred for machining of non-ferrous metal such as copper, cobalt, nickel, and the answer is A, copper. The tool nose radius used for DTM process is varies from dash dash mm, 0.1 to 0.2, 0.2 to 0.3, 0.1 to 0.3, 0.2 to 0.4. The answer for this is D, 0.2 to 0.4 mm. In DTM process, diamond can convert to dash dash at high temperature above 700 degrees Celsius. Silica, carbide, graphite, ferrite. And the answer is C, graphite. Which of the following is or are the parameters of tool geometry in DTM? Cutting edge, clearance angle, cylindrical tool, all of these. And the answer is D, all of these. All these are parameters of tool geometry. The following diagram related with dash dash process. Ultrasonic micromachining, DTM, FIBM, photochemical machining. And the answer is B, DTM. From the following is not the process parameter of DTM. Spindle ratio, feed rate, depth of cut, clearance speed. And the answer is D, clearance speed. Ultrasonic micromachining used to machine hard and brittle material such as sapphire, aluminum, cuprous, iron. Answer is A, sapphire. The size of the abrasive particle in USMM process is in range of dash dash micron, 0.5 to 15, 0.1 to 5, 1 to 5, 0.01 to 0.5. And the answer is A, 0.5 to 15 micron. In the dash dash process, the vibration is given to the tool or the workpiece. USM, USSM, USW, none of these. And the answer is B, USSM. Which of these is not the basic element of USMM? CNC controller, abrasive slurry, transformer, acoustic head. And the answer is C, transformer. The USMM employs mechanical vibration with frequency within the range of dash dash kilohertz, 50 to 100, 20 to 40, 10 to 60, 4 to 10. And the answer is B, 20 to 40 kilohertz.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.